Insurance in the studio this morning. It is time once again for our weekly insurance tip of the week.
That's right. Today we're gonna talk about hurricane insurance.
No, we're not.
Oh, okay.
I had a really good question, and I love to talk about this. Somebody asked me, why does somebody need an insurance agent when you can buy insurance on the internet, you know, that kind of thing. And so I just love that question. I think it's a really good one because I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a few advertisements on television about insurance. I just can't even imagine what the amount of money is spent.
Really?
Right.
Yeah, by all those companies that I won't name. The lady with her car named Brad.
Oh, I hate that
hate that commercial,
Oh,
too.
me and you both. Stacy and I will turn it off.
Oh, us too.
Yeah.
But you know, and yeah, I named it Brad. But anyway, and I think all of us, or a lot of us, love to handle our business on the internet. It's easy.
Right.
I do it. You know, I mean, I work above my bank. You know, same building. And yes, I like it that I can go down there and talk to somebody I know, but I also like at 2:00 in the morning I can pay a bill if I need to, you know. And so, so along those same lines, a lot of people enjoy that self-service when it comes to insurance.
Right.
And I'm one of them. I mean, my family loses their auto ID cards all the time, which is ironic but true. And I can go on. Of course, we have a mobile app.
Who does that?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
And so, you know, what we've done, you know, at Bryan Insurance is we try to provide that same type of thing that I was talking about with the bank, where we have a mobile app, we have a website, we have a portal. If you don't want to, you don't ever have to see us. You know, I don't want to mess with that. I don't have time. Or we can go to the other extreme and come in, sit down, go over your policies, or anywhere in the between. So, you know, because different people have different needs. So I completely understand about the online thing, you know, but it is proven, and there's a reason for this. The millennials, which are the ones that we would think would be out there doing everything on the internet, they like to shop on the internet and then talk to a real person before they make a purchase. And that's because they want to talk to somebody that they trust. And insurance is just like anything else. It's got its own language. There's all kinds of pitfalls. And while I think that, you know, the average person is perfectly capable of knowing what insurance they need, it's nice to have that person that you can talk to that can maybe suggest some things, answer some questions. And there's also a misconception that it costs more to go to an agent because of commission. Well, the insurance company's paying somebody, either their employee or their agent.
Can I just jump in here?
Sure.
You impressed me so very much as a friend, as somebody that I've worked with the insurance on my airplane. You were honest with me and said, you know what, you just need to leave it with where you got it. I've had it at the same place for over 10 years. I think I'm coming up on this is the 11th year. And you said, you know what, you got a pretty good deal set up. It's not where you need to move it. It's not going to get us really anything. It's not going to get you anything to move it or change it, and just leave it with where it was. I really respect that, and I think that's awesome. And then, Stacy, for our life policy, we have somebody that we've used for years and years, and another person was asking, well, you need to move it local or whatever. And Stacy goes, yeah, but we know this person. This is a relationship. You're not going to get the relationship like that off of the internet.
Right.
You're going to get some bozo that's there, probably just there paying off college loans.
Right.
And you really need to have somebody that's working in your interest, because you don't want to pay for much. Remember, those online things are trying to upsell you as much as they possibly can, and they ruin your email address too.
No kidding. No kidding. I'm sure that we've all seen the little picture that floats around Facebook where if you buy insurance from this guy, then you have a claim, and there's this huge room full of people. And one thing that we try to do as an agent is go between you and the insurance company when there is something wrong.
Right.
You know, let us do that work for you, because it can be frustrating. You have a claim, you can't get a hold of your person, you're playing phone tag, you know, let us do that. And but again, you know, we want you to have the service as well if you want to go online, get your policies online. So we want to do both. And one thing, you know, I did have a couple of funny things. We as insurance agents complain about underwriters, which are the people at the insurance companies that we talk to try to get things done. Most of our underwriters are amazing, but then you get the new person, and doing a lot of oil and gas business, I can't tell you how many times over the years that I've got a new person that I'm talking to at an insurance company, and they think when I'm talking about drilling a well,
Right.
they think I'm talking about a water well.
Yeah.
And but my favorite question that I ever had was when somebody was trying to insure their prize bull, And the insurance company underwriter asked me, what are they going to use that bull for? And I said, well, when a mommy
Yeah.
and a daddy bull love each other very much. I mean, but seriously, I mean, so you do get, and I know that's an extreme situation, but and another one is the hunting. That cracks me up. Because I think that these people up in New York, underwriters, are thinking we're out there hunting each other, trying to shoot each other.
we're
and they
from
don't
Texas.
know
That's
that hunt,
exactly what's going on.
and
Y'all insure cattle guards?
and
Because those guys,
yeah,
they
they're-
work hard.
They
out
do.
here.
They
Yeah.
work 24/7. But if you made me forget what I was saying, Rick.
I'm sorry.
Hey, do I have to separate you
No. But anyway, I know what I was saying. Hunters are the safest people. The safety is of utmost importance. And I'm not saying that every insurance underwriter is a buffoon by any stretch. We work with some great people, but we do educate them a lot of times
Yeah.
on what is going on here in the real world. And also when we send, and this is more of the commercial and maybe some of the larger, more complex commercial accounts, we paint the picture to the insurance company to explain what they do. Let's tell you about them. And it's just good to have that relationship. And again, not to be repetitive, but yes, that we do get paid commission. That's how we make money. But if the insurance company isn't paying us commission, if they're going direct, they're going to pay that employee. And they have to be a licensed agent just like we do. And so, it's not that I'm 100% against going online. There's a few specialty things, like one of them's pet insurance. There's actually a pet insurance program, and it's a good program. If somebody calls and asks us about it, we give them the website.
Yeah.
It makes more sense for them. Another one is wedding insurance. So, yeah, we could write it for you for 5 times more the premium, but why would you want to do that? So if we know of something that really is better online, we'll tell you, and we'll help you do it. So anyway, that's my answer of why a few of the many reasons that I think you need an insurance agent.
Hey, can I get a hole-in-one insurance policy if we ever sponsor a
Yeah.
golf tournament?
Sure.
Yeah, because the Chambers talked about golf tournaments and stuff, and we've done that in the past. But I could go through you guys.
Yeah,
and y'all
we
could set
do.
that up?
We do that
Yeah.
a lot, and our special event policies and stuff like that. So yep, we can do that.
All right, very good.
So yeah, we would love to talk to you. Just give us a call.
Sonny, how do we get a hold of you?
You can call us at 940-549-2525. Come see us, second floor of the Sierra Bank Building, or visit us at www.bryanins.com.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.